This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Town Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Sheldon. This spacious home in the heart of South Norfolk's historical district boasts the charm of yesteryear with many modern updates. Kitchen and baths were beautifully remodeled less than 3 years ago. Great floor plan with first floor primary suite plus 3 spacious bedrooms and bonus room upstairs. Vinyl replacement windows less than 3 years old. Huge corner lot is privacy fenced with potential access from rear alley. This property is being sold in as is condition and seller will accept cash or rehab loans only. June 3, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Shelton at 757-620-6419.